Hi, welcome back, friends. I am going to do a little journaling in my journal, and I thought it would be fun to use some of the items that I sent out in my Patreon Happy Mail kit. I have some of the items here. I have this fun little journal card and this fun playing card here, and my wax seal stamp and some other stamps. So let's get started. Let me know what you all have been up to. I have been pretty busy. I also have a guest check similar to the one that I sent out in the Happy Mail kit. Not sure exactly what I want to do just yet. Put that in there. That'll be cute. Might put that on there. I also have this envelope. I did a video on decorating up this envelope. That could go inside there as a pocket. That could be fun. Okay, so I think I'll start as those as my main pieces, but then I want to do a little bit of collage down here. I think I'll use a little bit of this washi tape. I'm really trying to challenge myself to just kind of go with it and not overthink. So we'll see how that goes today. You might see an absolute journal fail today. I'd love to hear about any trips that you might have planned this year. So leave a comment down below, or where your favorite place you like to travel. I'd love to know that as well. And I think I'll do some stamping in the background. I do like the train stamp. Might use those. And I pulled out a few Tim Holtz things that I might use, and also some stickers that I made. Also, oops, like this. This is another, it's a washi tape. And I think I'll put some of that. And I'm going to get a little map page. I have some scraps, so I'll start with that. Here's a fun little scrap. So if I'm going to put this over here, then I think I'll put the map over on this side. And then I'm going to put this over here. Maybe I'll put this over here. That over there. And that might be good. Glue book. I need to clean off my area. It is getting to be a mess again. When I do these layouts like this, and I'm doing some background work, I just think about the elements and how the elements might go with the pieces that I'm putting on top of them. And like this one is very travel theme specific, so that makes it a little bit easier to make it all coordinate. And then since this has map page, I don't think I'm going to add any more map page on this side. I do like these little pieces. They're kind of a ready-made collage. Yeah, kind of like that. And I might just keep the straight edge on the side and the bottom, but I'll rough up the top here. That looks good. And I put a little of this washi tape underneath there, just because I think it's pretty. I think another fun thing to do is make a bunch of different ephemera pieces, and then when you go to decorate your journal page, it will definitely come along a lot quicker and easier because you have your embellishment piece to kind of trigger off for your decorating on the page. And then I think I'll do a little stamping in these corners. Think what kind of stamp I might want to put there. I'm trying to decide if I want to put that. I have, these are my pen pal letters from when I was a kid. They won't quite fit in there. They might fit, not all of them will fit as a pocket behind here. Might be able to fit a couple of them. But I definitely want to include these in here somehow. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down, and I think I'm going to make it a double side pocket. Or actually, I think I'm going to make it a top pocket and a side pocket. So I'm going to glue around this way. I have a video on my Patreon site on how I made these envelopes here. I might have to do a few travel layouts. These are fun. So on this particular travel layout, I'm going to journal about my pen pal letters. So that'll fit in there. So I'll put that in there. And then I also have a top pocket right here. So I think that side looks good. So I need to decide if I want to glue this down. I think I'm actually going to make a pocket because I want to journal on the back of this, and then I can put all of these in that pocket. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think what I'm going to do is a little fabric pocket so it'll hold quite a bit. So this is my go-to little sweater that I like to cut up. Cut me a little piece right here. So if you're new to junk journaling, always look through your closet and see if there's things that you don't really wear anymore that you can use, because it's free supplies. I have, I don't know, about 3 or 4 different shirts and sweaters and things like that. those. I know it's hard to resist the urge to go out and buy stuff, because I love to buy stuff too. But I really try to focus on buying things that I don't have, instead of buying more of things I have until I've used that stuff, obviously. And a lot of times we'll look and see what someone is doing, and we don't have their exact thing that they have, and so we feel it's necessary to go and get that exact thing. But look around at your stuff and see if you have some things that you can just alter a little bit, and it'll give you a very similar, if not the same, result. And that's a fun thing to kind of challenge yourself with, and helps you learn. And you might even surprise yourself. It sure can be hard to use the things we collect, though, that's for sure. That's one of the things I've been trying to do a better job of. I am going to let the glue dry before I put those in there. Yeah, but that should work good. Perfect. So I'm going to let that dry. And then I might do a little decorating up here. I like this stamp. I might use some of that up here up top. Ink a little bit of that up. I made these fun little treasure maps for my patrons with this stamp. Ah, perfect. Okay. So my favorite place to go, or one of my favorites, is Hawaii. I also like to go to the lake. Of course, the ocean. I do not like to go to Florida, though, this time of year. It is just way too hot and humid in Florida. I think California is going to be hot too, but I don't think it'll be as bad as Florida, but we'll find out. I like that little piece there. Okay. Nice. And add and here's my wax seal. Yeah, I think I'll put that right here. I used to want to go up in a hot air balloon, but I don't know if I want to anymore. Like, the older I get, the more afraid of heights I get. I do really like this washi tape. This came in Your Creative Studios. It's just a really subtle blue. Oops. There we go. letters down here from my pen pal. These are from 1980, you all. I was so young. It was really fun having a pen pal. Some of them she did airmail letter or paper. Maybe it was just the first one, yeah. Look at her handwriting too, it was so neat. Isn't that fun? I guess I should hide her address in case she still lives there. But the letters are just so silly. When you're in your teenage years, don't really talk about much. See, and I like with the fabric pocket, it'll hold quite a bit. So then if I want these behind that, I can just put it back behind there. All right, I think I am going to stop. So I will put my journaling on the back of this, and I could also put a little bit more journaling in here. But I think that turned out very cute. So I love the idea of building up ephemera pieces, and then that makes decorating up your journal page go a lot quicker. I hope this gives you all some inspiration, and remember to tell me down below where your favorite vacation spots or where you traveling to this year. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.